Hi. In this video, I'm going to start looking at just what graphical programming is all about. And you'll see on the left-hand side of the screen here that there is what I can only call code. And in the old days on particularly AutoCAD, we used a system called Lisp. And it was unwieldy, it was difficult to use, and you had to spend a lot of time to get very little out of it. But it worked. It was pretty good. And if you were into Lisp, then you could get some pretty good stuff done if you were prepared to spend the time doing it. But as I said before, often as not, it was not that good. On the right there, you'll see the graphical programming interface. It allows you to see the code in the form of icons, because each icon is a piece of code buried beneath the icon. Under Lisp on the left-hand side, it was difficult to read. You had to be really good to read the code to understand what was going on, what was being fetched, how you were dealing with it, and everything else that you were manipulating. And it was very difficult. On the right-hand side, where you've got graphical programming interface and icons with code buried beneath those icons doing a specific job, it is very easy to look at a large piece of code in the form of the icons and understand what's going on, because you can follow the code around. You can click on a piece of code or an icon and see what it's doing. You can follow the string that links all the icons together, and the string is the electronic string that shows what is linking to what and what the outcome is. Because at each interface, you can put on a piece of code in the form of an icon that says, just show me what the result is at this stage. So it is becoming almost the way to code within the CAD environment. It allows us to see what's going on easily, and yet we've got the power of the code hidden behind each of the icons that's doing all the hard work. But us as mere mortals, we sit there and we watch and we look at the code in terms of the icons, and we can understand what's going on. So it is very easy, very simple to use. And there are other forms of graphical programming interface that I'll go into in the next slides. So for this particular case, it's just understanding the difference between Lisp in the old days of AutoCAD and also the new modern methods of graphical programming interface. And herein, I'll call it GPI. Thanks.